Okay, we're going to take a bit more of a deep dive into Autoblog Boss. So I've already logged in and I'm in the generator, and this is where everything happens. So I'm only going to do one article right now, but I'm just going to show you. Um, let's do an article on starting keto. And then you can put in keywords that you want to rank for. You can put in a specific keyword that will always be included if you're doing multiple articles in one setting. Like right now I'm doing a single article, but you can use a topic pool and tell this thing to create multiple articles. Then you can say the blog purpose, um, encourage people to start a keto, whoops, sorry for my typo, to start a keto diet. And then let's have some fun with it. Let's make it a conversational storyteller. We give you some tone that most platforms don't give you. So we've got observational humor and motivational, witty columnists, and then of course the professional and persuasive and all the things you'd expect, but we decided to make this a little more fun. You can rank for specific locations. If you had something that you do that's, if it's a local business that you're promoting, you can choose a location. Your SEO targeted keywords would go here, and you can make an outline of what you're hoping the blog format would be. So intro, problem, solution, things like that. Now, the smart link phrase lets you put in a word, and then I have a URL that I want to link, and you paste that here, and then I'm going to make it for all matches. Cover art and images. I'm going to browse the free images and see if there's anything keto diet related. Certainly not the ones with bread in it. I'll use this. And then we can add banner ads. This is where you make your money, because not only will this create content for you, but it can put banner ads in through the article. So I have one keto link. So I'm going to paste that here, and then I'm going to choose a file, and let's go, sorry, I should have set this up first. Banners. I'm going to take that one. And so this is the ad that's going to show up, and it's going to link to the Shopify store link where the book is sold. Now I can put different ones if I had them. Just you can have 3, and you can choose if you want your banner to be at the top, middle, or bottom. I'm just going to leave this first one at the top, and then I'm going to add the exact same image or the exact same ad at the bottom, but I'll use a different banner for it. So there you go. So when we publish the article, you'll see these two, one at the top, one at the bottom. If you don't have banners, when you join Autoblog Boss, you get a free banner creator that we built, and you can just connect to that. Now, if you have WordPress sites, you can connect to your WordPress sites. As a member, you do get a page on AutoblogBoss.net. That's free if you want to use it, but most of the time you will publish to your own WordPress sites that you can link, or you can publish and preview in the self-hosted blog community within AutoblogBoss. You can also set these things to schedule and run multiple posts hourly, daily, every couple of days. Um, I'm not going to do that for this demo. I'm just going to publish and preview one. So you got the circle as it publishes. And then there it is. It's published to the community blog. So now I go up here and I press my blog. And here it is. There's the image we spoke. Kickstart your keto journey. Let's view it. So here's the article, which you can still publish to WordPress from here if you want to. But here's the article. And here's the first ad. And then you go through the rest of the article. Here's the other ad. And that's it. That's your article. And you also have links that you can share it on your Twitter or X, Facebook, LinkedIn, Reddit, WhatsApp. You can share it in an email or you can just copy the link. So the reason that this is so powerful is because you can monetize it and you can tell it to create one blog post a day for a month and have your ads inserted in there. That feature is done through topic pools and photo pools, which I will get into in a different video because it's a pretty intense topic. You can copy your RSS feed so that you can have your RSS feed automatically linked to something like Only Social, which will then publish automatically every single day on whatever Facebook pages or other social media you have. So not only can you schedule, not only can you create a month of content, but if you have any posting software that will take an RSS feed, you can just paste your RSS feed into Only Social or Hootsuite or whatever you use, and it will automatically post every single day for you. So you don't have to keep creating content and going in and manually posting. You can literally spend an hour on a Sunday morning and schedule an entire month of content. You can also share your post from within your main blog without opening the article. You can copy the link. If you don't like an article, you can delete it. So it's a very, very powerful tool, and I'm sure you can see how this can make you a lot of money, because if you've got any affiliate links or products you sell, you can spend 30 minutes to an hour producing a month worth of content and just let this thing run forever. So that's it for now.